Of a college student who was injured in the 1 October shooting is filing a lawsuit against MGM Resorts.
We are a simple and humble family, and money is not the driving force behind us asking to be heard.
The mother of Paige Gasper spoke out today with attorneys at her side. 13 Action News reporter Tom George was at the news conference and has more.
Like hundreds of others, life changed for Paige Gasper and her family on October 1st.
10 minutes of gunfire became an eternity for the child that we love.
Paige, a country music fan and college student from California, was among those injured in the shooting, needing several surgeries and spending several days in the ICU. Now recovering, her family grateful for the support they got.
Vegas is not the problem. It's what happened in Vegas was the problem.
What was the problem, they say, security. That's why Paige filed a lawsuit against MGM and Stephen Paddock's estate. Her family says it's not about money, but making sure something like this doesn't happen again.
We can come to Vegas, we can go to New York, we can go to places, we can go to sporting events and not worry, is our security going to protect us or fail us?
One big question her lawyers want answered: what happened during a gap of 6 minutes between a Mandalay Bay security guard being shot and the gunman firing into the crowd?
We don't know the reasons of that right now. We are going to discover those reasons.
What happened in those 6 minutes is going to be the key to finding whether there's liability against the hotel or not.
Las Vegas lawyer Andre Lagomarsino says MGM will likely have some of the best lawyers too, and they'll hire experts to claim that their security was up to par. But he also thinks the victims may have a good chance in court.
I think it's going to be a fight for sure, but I think both sides have chances to win, and it's going to be very interesting to see how it plays out.
Now, some of those lawyers say they've also been speaking with other victims and that more lawsuits could be coming soon. Now, another important thing to note, noticeably absent from that lawsuit was Metro. They say they're not blaming them, and they believe that they acted professionally during that tragedy. Tom George, 13 Action News.
MGM Resorts has released a statement that says, in part, out of respect for the victims, we are not going to try this case in the public domain, and we will give our response through the appropriate legal channels.